Here's how to use Gemini on your iPhone. Now first, if you already have Gemini installed, you can open it up. Or if you don't have Google Gemini, you can head into the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search button at the bottom right, and we'll just search for Gemini. Gemini. There we go. And you can see it'll pop up right here. If you haven't already installed it, just go through the process of installing it. Now I'll show you how it works. Let's open up the app here. And you can see the first thing I would recommend doing is tapping on the profile at the top right and make sure you're signed into the correct email and the correct Google account that you want all of these messages, conversations, etc. associated with. You can also go to instructions for Gemini and you'll be able to see you can add instructions about yourself, about your life, your age, your health, all that stuff, any information that you want it to know when responding to questions. So if you say stuff like, what is my health outlook? You can add in stuff like your age, your weight, your health, basically medicine you take, all of that stuff, and it will include that in the responses. So let's hop out of here and you'll be able to see another thing I want to show you is those three lines at the top left. If you tap on that, you'll be able to see I can tap on New Chat if I wanted to create a new conversation. I can go to My Stuff, which usually includes photos and videos that Gemini has created. And you can see at the bottom left is chats. Basically, this is your entire chat history. Every time you send a message to Gemini, it will just put it in there so that you can go back and re-watch it or re-see it. Now, let's start with the process of creating a conversation. You can see it says, where do we start? And let's say something like, who was the first president? Something pretty easy. And let's hit send. You'll be able to see it immediately answers who the first president was, and you can see I can read through this. Now, this is just a basic usage of Gemini where you enter in a prompt and then it just responds to you. However, there's more advanced options as well. Let's tap on the plus at the bottom left here, and you can see I can upload files, photos. I can upload a camera, either photo or video, and have it analyze those photos and change them if I wanted to, or basically just tell me about those photos. Now, let's also go into a new conversation. So let's hit New Chat here, and you'll be able to see on here, if I tap on that little plus, it'll give me those options. And if I tap on the little filter icon, it'll give me the ability to create an image, create music, canvas, deep research, or guided learning. So these are really cool options. You can see create an image. I can just give it a prompt and say something like, make a dog riding a unicorn, and hit go. Now, essentially, it will just create that image out of thin air using AI. And this is called Nano Banana, and they just came out with that Nano Banana 2, which will essentially create images for you or even edit images. If you wanted to upload an image, say, of your kitchen and say, instead of this, I want you to repaint my kitchen, let's say light purple or green or something like that, it'll just automatically remake that image and repaint it. You can see just like that, it's created this image for me. Now let's do some other things. Let's get out of Nano Banana, and you'll be able to see at the bottom right, it says fast. You might be wondering what fast does. Essentially, Gemini has multiple different products, either if it prefers a fast response, or if you tap on it, you can go to thinking, solves complex problems, or advanced math and code with 3.1 Pro. Essentially, depending on what you're looking for Gemini, whether you just want a quick and dirty response after it gathers information from the web and all of the gathering information that is accumulated, or you can go over to Thinking or Pro if you wanted it to analyze spreadsheets and really do complex math and complex thinking, you can switch to that as well. Another cool feature is this microphone. You can just tap on that and it will just start to hear your voice and automatically transcribe that. If you don't necessarily want to type everything out, you can just tap on that icon and it will transcribe all of that, and then you can just hit send. After you've done that, you can just hit send and it will analyze that message after you've just talked to it. Another cool talking feature is, let's create a new chat here. You'll be able to see at the very right-hand side are those 3 lines with the star. I can tap on that, and essentially it brings up the ability to just talk live to Gemini. So it's like a conversation. You can just ask it something, and in real live, terms, it will just respond back to you. And it's as if you're having a conversation with AI. You can ask it questions, and it will immediately answer those questions in spoken voice, instead of a written out message that usually includes when you basically type in a prompt to Gemini.